The newly built 65,000 square foot Portsmouth Medical Park sits adjacent to the Jackson Gray Medical Facility and only steps away from the Portsmouth Regional Hospital. Procon was awarded the job as general contractor, as well as providing the architectural and structural engineering service. Metro Walls was awarded the drywall and framing, and in turn contracted with Atlantic PreFab to provide exterior envelope panels that consisted of framing, sheathing, and a weather barrier. Procon knew they would be able to tightly control and expedite the dry-in phase of the building by using exterior envelope panels designed and fabricated off-site by Atlantic PreFab. The modern design styling of the building offered a few unique challenges that needed an innovative approach. Atlantic PreFab was responsible for the complete exterior weather-tight shell. This included challenging features such as window rough openings, wrapping the major exterior corners of the building, cable-suspended canopies, and large shadow boxes surrounding the large windows on the east and west elevations. All of these areas were tackled with the use of prefabricated components with minimal complication. The weather barrier requirement was a Class A, non-combustible and non-permeable product. The initial weather barrier product was Stowe's non-permeable fluid-applied vapor seal. However, after additional review, it was found that this product did not meet the specification when utilized behind metal panel finishes. In response, Atlantic PreFab selected an alternative foil-faced peel-and-stick product by Carlisle. This particular product had not been used prior to this project, so Atlantic PreFab worked with the manufacturer to ensure the required details were met and met their specification. The final typical panel size for this project was very large at 12 feet 4 inches by 44 feet 4 inches. This encompassed 3 stories and 1 panel and required an escorted load for delivery. The panels also needed to be tested to ensure they would be able to resist the forces involved when going from a horizontal position to vertical when being installed. The installation of the majority of an elevation was done in just 4 hours. Some areas of the structure required that the weather barrier be field applied. An Atlantic PreFab manufacturer-trained weather barrier foreman spent a couple of days on site to complete these tricky areas. The final reward for the Atlantic PreFab team was in seeing the large panels glide through the air and effortlessly slide into place, turning a bare structural frame into the shape of the area's next high-end medical office building. Each installed panel is a symbol of the innovation, risk, commitment, and forward thinking that is Atlantic PreFab.